Hi guys, welcome to Chibuzor Mathphysics. In today's video, we shall be looking at probability and statistic. In each case, we are to construct a sample space, probability function of x, and determine the required probabilities. So let's take the first question. In this video, we've got question 1 even up to 4. It therefore means that we might have part 1 to 3 of this video. So you need to watch the next video in order to see how we're going to solve the remaining questions. Let's jump into it. Suppose that one word is to be selected at a random from the sentence, "The girl put on her beautiful red hat." It's funny, isn't it? The girl put on her beautiful red hat. How is that our problem? Sometimes mathematics could be funny. We are to investigate this sentence that the girl put on her beautiful red hat. Is that actually a problem if somebody put on her beautiful red hat? What is our problem there? Anyway, the fun of mathematics is there that we investigate the probability of each action, and that's why we are to investigate and determine the probability that the girl put on her beautiful red hat. Let's see the question. Let x denote the number of letters in the word that is selected. We are to determine the first question. Determine the probability distribution of x. That means that we are going to construct a distribution table, after which evaluate the expected mean, because that's the only way we can find out the total distribution and determine the distribution probability of this x. Stay tuned and enjoy this. There are things that we need to pay attention in this video. So we need to pay attention to the words, like in this sentence, how many words are there? There are 8 total words in the sentence. There are 8 total words in the sentence. Let's look at it. We have the girl put on her beautiful red hat. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have total of 8 words in the sentence. We also need to pay attention to how many letters are in each word. How many letters are in each word? We have they, it has got only 3 letters. Girl has got only 4 letters. That's 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put has got only 3. On has got only 2. Her has got only 3 letters. Beautiful has got 9 letters. Red has got 3, and heart has got 3. So in total, we can say that 2 has got only 1, because we have only one word that is 2, and that is on. On is 2 letters. So on is 2, and remember that we have total of 8 words, so it will simply be 1 over 8. 1 over 8, because from the expected mean, we know that expected mean, if we take the summation of this function, it will simply be all x will be x f of x, will be equal to 1. It therefore means that to get the total probability distribution of this function, we simply need to take the words and take how many letters are in each word, so that we use them to evaluate the total distribution, the total probability distribution of this x. So we simply have ex is equal to summation of x, let's say all x to be x f of x to be equals to 1. And then we can now construct a table using that. Let's see what we got. We know that on has got only 2 words, and it has got only 2 letters, and in these 2 letters the total was 8, so it simply is 1/8. We have got 3 letters. For the one that have got 3 letters is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so it is going to be 5/8. This is 5/8. We've got 4. The one that has got 4 is simply 1. That is the gear. This will be 1/8. We have 9. Beautiful is 9 letters, and that is 1/8. So this will be our probability distribution table. Okay, so now that we've got the probability distribution table, let's go ahead to find the expected mean so that we determine the probability distribution of x. Using this formula, we know that to find the expected mean, we simply need to multiply the variable of x with f of x and add them together. So this will be, we have got 2 to be multiplied by 1/8 plus 3 multiplied by 5/8 plus 4 multiplied by 1/8 plus 9 multiplied by 1/8. This will give us, put them in your calculator, that will be 3.75. And this will be our first solution. So first of all, we need to try to analyze the information that we're given. The girl put on her beautiful red hat has got 8 words, but in each of these words, how many letters are in each of the words? Add them together. The one that have got 2 letters is only once. That's why we have 1/8, because 8 is the total words in the sentence. 3 has appeared 3 times, and that's why we got 3 has appeared 5 times, and that's why it is 5/8. For 4 it is once, and that's why we have 1/8. And for 9 it is once. That is beautiful, and that is 1/8. When we evaluate the expected mean, we will simply have 3.75, because it is this the value of x multiplied by f of x, then we add them together. That's why we have 2 multiplied by 1/8 plus 3 multiplied by 5/8. This is 5/8 plus 4 multiplied by 1/8 plus 9 multiplied by 1/8, and then we get 3.75. Let's see the second question. We are to now find the probability when x is less than equal to 2. X is less than equal to 2, but we know that our value from here, we know we only have the value of 2. X is not less than 2. So if it is less than 2, anything less than this 2 that is not in this table is simply 0. So here we will have 0. We have 0 plus the probability when x is equal to 2. That means that 0 plus when x is equal to 2, it was 1/8. It was 1/8. So here we will simply have 1/8. 1/8, which means the probability well, if x is less than equal to 2 is going to be, so it is going to be 0.125. 0.125. Good. So the next one is asking us to find the probability of x is 3 and 3 is less than equal to x, which is also less than 9. This simply means that the probability when of x is 3 plus the probability when it is 4 plus the probability when it is 9. That's what the statement meant. The probability when this is 9. So we add this together. When it is 3, we know that when it is 3, it is 5/8. It is 5/8. So we have 5/8 plus when it is 4, it is simply 1/8 as it is in our probability distribution table. And when it is 9 appeared only one. That was beautiful. So it is also 1/8. If we add this together, we will get 7/8, which will give us 0.875. And this is our solution. So we can now try to see the next question. In the next video, we shall continue with the second question, where we shall evaluate a fair coin that is tossed repeatedly until either lands head or a total of 5 tosses that have been made. So watch the next video and you will find that very easy. I've seen the next option, but we have got not less than 1, but at most 3 teachers are selected in the subcommittee. That simply means that x is not less than 1, so it means that x should be greater than equal to 1 and greater than equal to 3, which means you need to just take the probability when x is 1, add with the probability when x is 2, and with the probability when x is 3. Then add them together, and that will be the solution. In the next video, I will take you through. Don't forget, if you are joining us, to click on the subscribe button so that you'll be notified as we upload our subsequent videos. Kala guys.